little butterflies. Welcome to Easy Learn Academy, where learning is fun.
Today we are going to learn letter Twa. Letter Twa. Can you see the alphabet charts? Yes, in this alphabet chart, the Twa is located between Law and Lot and Law. Lot and Law. Ikra means read. Saw, soos, sui, boo, bab, hair, see, sur, da, who, hedge, law, loo, Dubai, lee, za, who, tooth, too. Okay, now we will move to the next one. Okay, in this the picture is given and the word is given. So first one is Dubai, Dubai, Dub, Dub, Soos, Soos. The next one is short vowels. We will learn about short vowels. Can you see these three persons? First one is Fatha, second one is Lamma, third one is Al-Kasr. Al-Fath, Al-Lam, Al-Qasr. The Fatha, the sound will be a, a, a. The Lam, the sound will be u, u, u. The Al-Qasr, the sound will be e, e, e. Okay, in the short vowel, first one is Twa, Twa, Tu, Tui. Okay, in Twa, the first word is Tobel, Tobel, Tobel. The second one is Tuyur, Tuyur, Tuyur. The third word is Tifl, Tifl, Tifl. The Tobel is a drum. The Tuyur means birds. A Tifl means a baby. Okay, next one is choose the correct vowel. In this, you have to choose the correct vowel. The first one is Tabel, Tabel. The second one is Tuyur. The Tuyur, you have to use two. You have to choose two. The third one is Tifl. So Tifl is short vowel is Tui. Tifl, Tifl, Tifl. Okay, if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to Easy Learn Academy.